Hey, welcome my scrapbook friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa and I want to do a couple of album shares with you today. I done these over on my Facebook page and I'm going to be teaching you how to make this one. This one I didn't teach, but this one I did. So I think you guys would love to learn how to make this one. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make this one. Okay. I do a March Madness every year over on my Facebook page. I've done it for the last 7 years, and you guys know me and my file folders. I love file folders. Okay, so you can pick up the tutorial. You do get both of these albums. Okay, and I think it's $8, I think, and you get both of them. Okay, and it shows you. Like I said, this one was on Facebook. And then this one, I recorded everything, so it's inside of there as well. Okay. All right. Yes, I just love file folders. If you love file folders, please let me know. If you'd like to see more file folders, I can sure make that happen. I have done quite a few tutorials here on my channel um, with other file folder albums. And I will link a couple of those down below that I think you might be interested in. Okay, so let's go through this one real quick and then I'll go through this one. All right, so this was the bonus project that I come up with. And I did use a little bit of cording and I did put a little charm on it. Okay, and this one measures 7 by 9.5 and it'll hold about 40 pictures. I did decorate it with the Serenity collection from 49th and Market. All I had was scraps pretty well left over, but it was enough to do this one. So you have a little pocket here. And I did use the washi tape from the collection. And then it flips. And this here is the wide washi tape, and then I used the thin washi tape because, you know, the wide one didn't stretch far enough. Beautiful, beautiful. And you can put this at where you can put a picture here. I decided just to do it for the beautiful washi tape. And then I used the brown wrapping paper to back it. Use a couple of brads here and another little charm right here. It's a little bee, but very cute. Okay, and then this flips open. And this was part of the packaging. I ran out, so I used a little bit of the packaging, and it turned out great. And then that. And then use, you know, some washi tape and some of the ephemera pieces. Again, this is a piece of the packaging. This paper is just so beautiful. Then you have a little pocket here. Again, you know me and my strips. I love using up strips. And again, the washi tape and just some of the ephemera. And then you have a pocket back here. So that's is a little bonus album that you'll get when you purchase the tutorial. Like I said, I will be teaching you from start to finish how to construct this one. Okay, and then you get this one as a bonus. Okay, so if you want to, you don't have to buy the tutorial. I will be giving you the measurements and we'll be cutting the file folders right along with you. It's just totally up to you. If you would like to have, you know, the tutorial, you know, right beside you, and then it has all, you know, the cutting guide and the written instructions for you. Okay. So this here I decorated with 49th and Market, and it is the, oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank. Ah, oh my gosh, Tranquility collection. And I did use the washi tape. This is the spine. Okay. It's completely made out of file folders, and I love this. Oh my gosh. I love it. Here I just kind of use some of the, I had the laser cut aparts and the ephemera washi tape. And then I sanded around the edge to kind of white, you know, make it a little bit lighter color. And I love how it turned out. But I used washi tape, the wide washi tape on all the spine back and front. And you notice this one is upside down. So when I teach you, I got to remember not to do that. All right, here is a photo frame, and I left it open. So you can put your photo back behind it and just kind of collaged it up with some of the pieces. Over here, I just collaged it up, put some of the side stickers, and that opens up for that. Use the washi tape, and that opens up, and then that opens up. What a spread. Beautiful. Beautiful. So here you have a pocket. Okay. And I just use some of the brown wrapping paper to create my pocket. Then use the washi tape and some of the ephemera pieces. Then on the back side, you have a pocket as well. So very cute. And these just go right. And these just go in here. That should. Whoops. Okay. There we go. I forgot how it even went. Oh my word. Okay, so that's all what I just showed you is this piece. Now here's this piece here. So this opens up. Then that opens up. Look at that. And then you have a pocket right here. Like I said, I will be teaching you start to finish how to make this, because I think you guys are going to love this. Love it. Love it. And I'll walk you through how to cut your file folders. We'll cut the file folders all together. We will put it all together from start to finish. Okay. So then this opens up. And then we have this nice pocket here. Beautiful. There we go. This opens up and you have a pocket right here. Okay. And then this opens up, and I used the brown gift wrap. So you have a pocket here. And then that flips. That flips. Just use the washi tape and some of the cardstock lettering. I did take some of the chipboard off so it wouldn't be as thick. And I did have the rub-ons. This is all rub-ons. How cute. Now this is where I'm going to teach you a little bit different. I don't know if you guys would be interested in learning this or not. If you are, let me know in the comments, because I can teach how to do this separately. What I'm really thinking about doing here is a file folder aspect here, because we have 3/4 of an inch here, and we can do some flips and flaps with the file folder instead of creating this here. Okay, so I just used my twine here, tied it in a bow on the other side just for a decorational aspect. But we did this little book here, and it's made out of the brown gift wrap paper. You guys know me and my brown gift wrap paper from Walmart. Okay. So this flips open. You have a nice pocket here. And I use some of the rub-ons and some of the laser cuts. Then here is the little booklet. So let me know if you would like to learn how to make this. And I'll do a separate class on this, but I want to do a file folder aspect over here with some flips, flaps, and some pockets. We've got plenty of room. Okay, so if you want to learn this, let me know in the comments, and I will do a class on this. But you have here, and I just used pieces left over from the collection. This was the very last thing that we done. I did use these tearing tools, okay, to create this design right here. And I will put the link down below where you can purchase these over on Amazon. And you don't pay any extra for it. Yes, I do earn a small commission. Then that flips. Here we have a pocket. Okay. And again, I've done some of the rub-ons here. And these are just two pieces of scrap put together to form a pocket. So those just slide right back in there. Very, very cute. I love this. I love doing stuff like this. So then here you have a pocket. Okay. And then you have a little tuck spot here with a couple of little tags from the collection. And I just used a little bit of crochet thread, rub-ons. That's a rub-on too. But beautiful, well-defined areas for photographs. And you can also journal. You know, you could journal right here. And then here you have another pocket. And I just took, I have some old journaling books that are spiral bound. And it's pretty thick paper. So I just tear the paper out and I use it for my writing stuff. Okay. So this just slips back in here. And that is one of the rub-ons. Look at how beautiful that is. Beautiful. This just slides back in the pocket. And again, I just used some of the laser cuts. And I used cream Michael's 24-pound paper for my photo mats. So oh, I didn't finish my book. Oh, jeez. So then again, here's some rub-ons, and you have a pocket here. Okay, and we designed this to where it slips in this pocket, and that's what keeps it nice and tidy is inside that pocket. But I really think we'll do a file folder aspect. So let me know in the comments if you would like to learn how to make this, because this is pretty sweet. And if you know all of you are saying yes, we want to learn this, then I can teach you this, and we don't have to do a file folder aspect in here. Just, you know, it's totally up to you guys, whatever you guys want. Then here is a double pocket. I've got to show you that. Again, there's some rub-ons from the collection. So this is just a double pocket here. But very cute. And it just all roll. Oops, this goes over. And it just all rolls back up. Okay. Just all rolls right back up. So I will be teaching this. I'm hoping to have it out probably the 1st of June. I'll be releasing. It will probably be in a couple of parts, I would say, because it does take a little bit to make it. So there'll probably be a couple parts to this. But you can purchase the tutorial if you would like. And you do get the bonus file folder album right along with this. All right. All right. I think that's all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments what you think. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. All right. We'll be talking to you guys soon. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.